Brabus already offers tuning options for the new G-Class, and now the German tuner turns its attention to the hotter G63. Mercedes-AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo is vastly used through the brand's range, and the Brabus adapts its tuning from other applications of the engine for the 700 WIDESTAR. While it produces 577 horsepower and 627 foot-pounds of torque in stock form, the tweaks for the Brabus version make 691 horsepower and 701 foot-pounds of torque. The upgrade lets the 700 WIDESTAR hit 62 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds versus the standard model sprint to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The powerful SUV can also reach 149 miles per hour.